Who hasn't dreamt of living the posh London life? Well, dream no more. Let us introduce you to Stour Road E3 student accommodation right in the heart of London. This accommodation offers you a selection of comfortable ensuite apartments, each fully furnished with a plush bed, dedicated study space, private bathroom, and ample storage area for all your gear. In addition, the property boasts a range of amenities, including free Wi-Fi and a well-equipped communal kitchen. Need a break from your studies? There's an on-site gym, stunning outdoor rooftop, and even a cinema room for ultimate relaxation. Talking about location, Stour Road E3 is strategically positioned just a short ride away from both Loughborough University and Queen Mary University of London. And for those essential supplies, your local food and wine store is just a leisurely 3-minute stroll away. Moreover, Bobby Moore Academy Primary School bus stop is within walking distance. So, are you ready to reside in style? Head over at amberstudent.com and redefine your student accommodation experience with Stour Road E3.